Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. Today, we will be talking about layers. As your website grows, you'll have more images, text boxes, and buttons overlapping each other. So, we are going to learn how to stay organized using the Layers panel. You can find layers by going to the left. This icon. This opens a list of every single element on your current page. Think of it like a stack of paper. The items at the top of the list are the ones on top of your design. To keep things simple, you can double click any layer to rename it. Properly labeling your layers makes it easier to find what you're looking for as you need to work. Want to rearrange your elements? Simply drag and drop your elements accordingly. Moving a layer up brings it to the front, and moving it down sends it to the back. It's the easiest way to manage overlapping elements. You can manage individual items over here by clicking the three dot button next to the item you want to work on. And here you'll see options to help you manage your chosen item. So feel free to manage your item however you want to. And that's how you use the Layers panel. It keeps your project clean and your workflow fast. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.